Fine woman with some twerk with her. See, got a lot, but I can work with her. Want a big fine woman with some pop, with some twerk, with some pop, with some twerk, pop.
What's good, guys? It's your girl $1 Million Ash, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome to the squad. It's the $1 Million gang in here. I don't know if that's a real gang sign that I just threw up, so I'm just gonna put my hands down. Anyway, if you all, welcome back, boo. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm definitely gonna be putting up some grass on my wall. I just wanted like a little spot where I could like take like green pictures because I'm an Aquarius and I love like greenery. And I've always wanted to have like an aesthetic background. I'm trying to really get into like posing and like taking more pictures of myself and my body. And because it's COVID and stuff like that, like I need to have that scene available to me. So I decided to make it in my room. Okay, so for today's video, let me show you what we're using today. So I got these what is it called, Boxwood panels from Amazon. Everything that I ordered and that I'm putting up today is from Amazon. So you have these are the 20 by 20, so they're really big, takes up a lot of space on the wall. I'm gonna use these hooks because I live in an apartment and I don't want to damage the wall. And these are supposed to be really, really good at like just holding up picture frames. So I'm assuming that it could probably hold up these panels because they're heavy, but they're not really that heavy. So let's pray that it can hold it down because it's gonna be four in each row. So I'm gonna try to like do the mathematics of that. So with those Boxwood panels, they come with zip ties at the bottom because I was watching a whole bunch of other YouTube videos and basically these kind of hold them together because on the panels they have like the male and female parts here, as you can see. So there's like a male part. It ain't on this one, but you put them together, and I always bump into this every single video, right? Every single video. Comment down below if you see me bump into this joint every single time. It's like we got beef or something. Like you wanna fight or something? You wanna fight, dogs? We ain't even gonna do that. We ain't even gonna bring that violence to this video. Anyway, so the zip ties are gonna help me keep the little joints together, so that, you know, it could just be all one big old thing. So last but not least, I'm gonna be putting these flowers at the top. Hopefully I could finesse it so that it could fit at the top because I want it to look like an altar-y type of thing. Like, ooh, couldn't we be happily ever after?
Girl, what's going on?
Y'all don't even know I can sound like Anita Baker, right? Y'all didn't know. Anyway, so let's go put it together. I don't know, you know, my room is a little crazy right now, so I'm not gonna really show y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all a little bit, but I'm not gonna show y'all, but I am gonna show y'all. So let's get it rolling. All right, so here is the corner that I'm gonna be doing the grass wall on. It's right by my front door. And if you hear wind in the background, it's a storm going on outside, so please excuse that. But this is the corner. And we just gonna see what it do and if it do what it do. Alright, so this is me just putting up the pieces against the wall because this is my first time actually seeing the pieces together. And I just wanted to make sure that I measured them correctly. And here's Naomi acting retarded as always. That's my baby though. Sorry if the lighting is off, but alright, so I was really confused for a second. So these are the male parts that are like hidden underneath the you know, the grass or whatever. And you plug this part in this, right? And it's another one that matches on the other side because I'm like, why? It's another one that matches right here because I was confused, like why aren't they there? But you just have to flip it around. So if you get this grass and you're confused about where the heck the male part is, it's here. Even when you put the male and the female part together, like when you attach them, when I go to flip it over, they don't stay together, right? They don't stay together. So thank God, you know, thank God they give you the zip ties. All right, you guys, Naomi is my personal assistant right now. And we gonna show you, come over here, baby. Alright, so look. This is the male part right here. This is the female part. I'm just put them together. Like so, like that. And then you want to get I'm gonna find the other pieces. Thank you, babe. Yeah.
I'm kind of shaking, guys, so sorry about the angle.
It's okay, mama. Alright, so look, another one. Click. Press in. Kaboom. It's alright, babe. Alright, come down this way. Here's the next one. I'm just clicking it in, pushing it in. Oh, wait, y'all, hold on. Alright, look, clicking it in. Oh, wait, hold on. Clicking it in, and boom. And is it one more? This is the last one. Click. Boom. Alright, so then I'm taking the zip tie. See? Taking the zip tie. I put 2 on each one because I just want it to be secure on all ends. So I just put the zip tie through here, if I could fit it through my finger. So I put it through. Then I put the zip tie, pull until it's tight, and there you go. Lord, jeez, I look a mess. This is the final product. They're all together. So here's what I'm thinking. Put in maybe like 1 or 2. I might put 3. I might put 3 on each. Because this thing is a little heavy. Boom. Put on the wall. Boom. And then be like zoom. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. So far, this is what we got. But we're not finished yet. Those little press-on things on the wall, they're very, very strong. So I definitely highly suggest those if you're gonna do that. If you have an apartment, you wanna like save your walls. The goal is to put these at the top and make it like real cute and like dainty or whatever. But here's the thing, these things are kind of heavy. They're very long. So I gotta find a way to make it still look, I don't know, look like this. But I don't know if it's just gonna be the white part or what. But I gotta figure this part out. So what I ended up doing was just squeezing the flowers together and making them skinny so that I can like fit them through the holes of the panels. And it went through perfectly. And then as you can see, I was able to like fill them out and it made it so pretty. Like you'll see at the end. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Don't mind that white wire. I'm gonna fix that in a second, but this is it. Very easy to put up. It didn't really take that long. I was procrastinating most of the time, but again, everything will be listed in the description bar below. Description box below. But yeah, this is our little corner. I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
With some twerk with her. See, you got a lot, but I can work with her. Want a big fine woman with some pop, with some twerk, with some pop, with some twerk, pop.